frost was proof enough that you had no fire. I kept reading your skin as weather, called you a liar. You bristle like a wolf who's 10 winters from a den. I was the cruelty in that name. I walked out again. I don't curse your winter, I walk in with fire. I bring one coal to your door and not a pyre. Beneath your eyes, the water runs on warm. I set one flame down, I did not come to storm. For years your house had no stove. Tonight I brought the wood. Your walls are dark, unbroken, 10 winters, and they stood. Tonight I light one room and ask for nothing more, and hold my warmth the hand with from your bolted door. I don't curse your winter, I walk in with fire. I bring one coal to your door and not a pyre. Beneath your eyes, the water runs on warm. I set one flame down, I did not come to storm. Your ice is a lid, I hear the water move. You owe no thought, and I have nothing to prove. This cold hides a cold, no winter snuffed out. I heard the need surface through the sharpened shout. I winter here beside you, however long it takes, and the ice can thaw at the pace your river makes. I don't curse your winter, I walk in with fire. I bring one coal to your door and not a pyre. Beneath your eyes,